Hey everyone, welcome to this Thursday weekly update. Today is February the 21st. As per usual, this is a little series that gets to show you behind the scenes and stuff you can expect from us here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that does it for this week. Thank you all so much for watching and keeping up with the series. It really means a lot to us. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below. That's available, of course. We hope you all have a great rest of the week. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we'll see you next week.